Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you this JLO inspired makeup look. If you are new to my channel, my name is Chamika. I do videos about beauty and fashion. Make sure you click on the subscribe button so you wouldn't miss any videos like this. Let's get into video. Starting today with these two primers. This one is from Revlon Photo Ready Prime Anti-Shine, and this is matte primer. It has a little sheen to it, so I'm going to apply this. And this, the Revlon one, I'm applying around my nose, chin and forehead. Today I'm going to start with the highlight in my face. I noticed JLO has this concealer going on and it's usually lighter than what I use on myself. So I'm going with SDF1 from KRYLON DERMA color. Next, I'm using this MAC palette. This is Pro Conceal and Correct palette, medium deep. Next, I'm going to blend my concealer. At this point, I feel like I need more coverage here, so I'm using this Maybelline Age Rewind Eraser. Then for the foundation, I'm using these two, NC35 and Revlon Color Stay Warm Beige, and then mixing this liquid highlighter. Then to set my under eyes, I'm using this RCMA Powders Destiny's Hope and Sparkles. Then I'm going to apply this MAC Studio Fix powder all over my face. This is number NC40. I'm just dusting it. Next, NC45. I'm going to bronzer my face. for the blush, I'm using this Laura Geller Guava Baked Gelato Vivid Swirl Blush. It's a oldie but goodie. It's very pigmented, so you need to be careful. You need only the tiniest. For the highlighter today, I'm using this MAC pigment, the color Melon. Using my fingertips, for the brows, I'm using my same old deep brow from a beige, color Ebony. Then for my eyes, I'm using my custom made palette. This is I bought this palette and I bought all these single shades. There are shades from MAC, there are shades from Makeup Geek, Makeup Forever, Anastasia. So I'm using this Makeup Geek shade Cocoa Bear on my crease. Next, I'm using the same pigment I used on my cheeks. I'm spraying some Fix Plus. Next, I'm taking the shade Embark from MAC. I'm going to darken my outer corner. This brush is from MORPHE and it's M506. And using Nylon from MAC, I'm gonna highlight my inner corner. Then Corrupt from Makeup Geek. Going to smoke it down. And for lips, I'm using these three combo. This is Huda Beauty Icon and Anastasia Crush and Fenty Beauty Lip Gloss. Then I'm doing this trick to make my lips look fuller and glossier. I'm using this concealer and applying it here. That's it guys, I did my lashes off the camera and this is the final look. I hope you liked the video. Please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video. See you on next week. Bye bye.